Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Ford C-Max generation 2012 to year 2019. And if you're trying to find the fuse for the fog lights, stay with us, we'll explain where it's located. If your fog lights do not work, we'll explain which fuse you need to check, and it's a little bit hidden. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price for your car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Another thing, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. So naturally you will think that the fuse will be located in the fuse box that's under the hood, right? That's what most people will do. You have a fuse box right here, guys, you can see in the corner, but it's not this one. It's actually hidden, guys, inside the vehicle. It's part of the body control module fuses, okay? And the body control modules controls lights and all that stuff for your specific vehicle. Let me just get me something to show, so I can actually show you where exactly that fuse is located. And right here you have one cover that you need to remove. If you want to see how to do that, we have a special video that explains the fuse box location on a Ford C-Max, and it will teach you, okay, all that stuff as well. So if you look now right here, guys, okay, let me just go ahead and position the camera so you can see. Perfect, I think this is good. You can see that's the body control module with all the fuses. And if you look now, we need to come to the third row and we need to find fuse 75. You will see the fuse number next to the top right corner of the fuses. This is the second fuse on the third row, okay, from left to right, top to bottom, second fuse, guys. That here, 15M. The one above it is for the headlights. The one below it is for the fog lights. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you needing to find out. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.